friends, once again I welcome you to my YouTube channel Shiksha Mantra. And as you know, here in this channel we learn something. So today, before saying anything else, I'd ask you to look at the board. And what have I written there? I've written learning. So our goal is learning. But learning what? Learning second language or foreign language. Whatever language you are learning as your second language or a foreign language that's new to you, I'm talking about in general any of them. So if we consider here English, and that's not your mother tongue. So English isn't your mother tongue. It's a foreign language to you or it's a second language to you. Now you want to learn English. So you have to do some very simple but easy tasks. You have to make some steps. And we have discussed about those steps in our previous videos. There we have discussed in detail what you have to do to make a better progress in a second language or a foreign language. But here I'm talking about a particular point. If you want to do something in a foreign language or in your second language, you must do one activity, and that is, yes, dear friends, listening. It's very much important. This activity is a must for you if you want to learn something. If you want to learn a second language or a foreign language. But listening activity, how would you follow this? So today I'm going to make it simple. You'd simply learn some process with which you could actually follow this listening activity. If you look at our present condition, the world we are living at present, this is the world of technology. And here, for every purpose, you must use it successfully. And without an Android phone, and why should I talk about Android? Whatever mobile phone it might be, it's a must for you to do anything and everything. So if you want to learn something, there's your cell phone to help you. So why won't you take support from your help phone? And that cell phone, as I call it, the help phone, if you use it properly. So what's the uses of a cell phone? That is some support. So we want some support in our learning of language. And there would seek for some apps and language learning apps that you'd seek for. But today we are going to discuss about an app that would help you in listening. So let's check it out. What's the listening app we are talking about? So friends, here we are starting our app searching operations. So here in your Play Store, if you search for English learning through stories, search for it, and here you'd get learn English through story. So this is the app we were talking about, learn English through story. I've already installed this app That's why it's showing open. And here I would want to tell you one simple thing very clearly, that this is not a sponsored video. I have checked it. I have actually liked this app, and that's why I'm sharing my experience with you, so that it may be of some help for you. Now, if you check this app, you'd get that it's rating 4.5, and 5 is higher, and there you may check what people are saying about this app, etc., etc., but I won't go to those details. But if you check the ratings, you would find 1 star, 5 star, 4 star of every shorts, and that's of not much use for me. So here for rating, you could see that 3,484 ratings are there, and 100,000 plus downloads there. So overall, this app looks good. So let's check what's there in this app. If we start checking this, it's already in YouTube, and in YouTube they have themselves posted it, the review of this app, and we want to go to the detail of it. You may check it if you like. So that's not our goal. Rather, we would discuss about the other screenshots. That is this screenshot. There you can see that so many different types of stories are there. There's Northsmiths, Russian stories, Chinese stories, dragon, etc., etc. So many different types of stories are there. And there's also Aladdin's lamp, the blind beggar of Baghdad, 1001 nights. There's fairy tales, and in fairy tales you would find these stories. And when you open a story, how does it look? And there uh, in the bottom of the page, you could see the play button, fast forward, backward, etc. So there's the listening features given, and would use them in quotes. There's also the different types of stories, those are available here in this app. It's how the screen would come when you tap one story, and it comes with some listening help, etc., etc. Oh, by the time it has changed from 4.5 to 4.6, so the app is growing. So let's open this app. When you open this, you'd be asked for some permission. You'd have to accept them. But how it works? There it has been divided in levels, and that's the first thing attracted me. Stories for beginner level 1, stories for beginner level 2, stories for beginner level 3, and that's for your children, or for those you are actually helping in learning English for the kids, these levels. There's also English at university level. There's listen and read, daily news. So if you are grown up and you don't find your attraction in stories, you want to listen to daily news, you may do this as well. So our target is listening. You would have to listen well to learn the language, to make a correction of your pronunciation. So whatever it may be story, it may be news, whatever it may be, you'd find help from this app. There's fairy tales, Alibaba, and many other such stories are there. You may select any of them. So let's select English at University. There, episode 1.
This is a download from BBC Learning English. To find out more, visit our website.
Hello and welcome to English at University.
So here,
Hi, I'm Anjana. Would you believe if I said
here you could check what's going on in English language. Some ad would come here, as you can see, Google download, etc., etc., and ads are there. It's a free app, so you'd have to deal with those ads, though it's actually very disturbing if it's been used for the children, as you know. So whatever it may be, that it's not ad free, so ads are there to disturb you. This is the first point. The second point is, here you have not been given either pinch option or plus or minus option to make the letters actually narrow or bold, whatever it might be. These options are not given. So it come to those points, but now you can listen to the story with proper pronunciation, intonation, breaks. So you'd have to listen them carefully, and while listening you can read them as well. So reading and listening, these two activities would go together, and it would change the game for English for you. That would be better option. So stick with this app. It
The
looks
series
like
that brings
this.
you the English words and phrases you need to help you through your first year at university.
It's really well.
We're going to follow new student Mary, who's about to begin her first year of study abroad at the University of Studies. That's the UK's
So while
32nd
listening, you
best
can
university.
reading them as well.
She's been offered a place to study for a degree in business. It's a great opportunity for her, but her mum and dad are sad to see her go.
So while listening, suppose you don't know the word opportunity and you tap on it. Translate English into what? English. Word to translate. That means you'd find a dictionary here. So there's so many options of language. You can translate it into Hindi, and you can translate it into Bangla. Now you'd have to search for it.
Opportunity.
You can get the proper breakup of the word and its phonetics and how it's pronounced well.
Opportunity.
You'd get the meanings, you'd get some grammar help as well, though it's not adequate. You'd get only type, noun. It's probably speaking of a general parts of speech here. Obviously you won't actually expect much from this app, like a detailed dictionary. So it's helpful, it's really helpful. When you are listening, when you are in listening or reading activity, you can't check the dictionary every time you stumble over any word. So this dictionary is of much help, and it gives this extra feature. So I'm transforming it into Hindi now. Let's check how it works. We have done it with Bengali, and now we are doing this with Hindi. Obviously in Hindi you'd find some little meanings, more meanings are given here.
Proud. Proud. Proud.
It's type adjective, and if you want you'd get examples as well. So it's obviously this app is going to help you a lot in your learning English as second language or a foreign language, if you can use them properly. And if you get back into its homepage again, and from here I would open Greek myths. There you'd have to face the Facebook. That means you'd have to face the ad. So what's there? Let's check the buttons first. At the bottom, at the right, at the left top corner, here you would say different types of books, audio books, stories for beginners, audiobook stories for advanced, audiobook stories for low, intermediate, etc., etc. So it has been divided according to the level and according to your need. This button, it speaks of the saved words. If you add any word to it, your words that you have checked from the dictionary, they would find a heart shape. If you tap it, it would be found here for later reference. And here you would find rate app, more apps, and mail, feedback, privacy policy. So these three buttons, among them these two buttons aren't of much help, except if you want to go little into the vocabulary part, you may use this button. Here you'd find the other stories, Helen of Troy, etc., etc. So you can check from this, and you can listen to those stories. They are obviously very much useful. So what would be of your actually idea about this app? So you'd have to use this app and then tell me if it's actually helping you in learning English or not. So here you can get this app quoted, and obviously if you tell me to rate this app, I would rate it as 3. But this app is of much help, only it must be of some user friendly, otherwise this is a good app to follow. So finally I would tell you to follow this app, to use this app, and you are going to find it a very helpful tool for your learning English. So stay tuned to Shiksha Mantra and learn many other things like this. Find many other useful apps and technology and motivation and many more from Shiksha Mantra. Like this video, subscribe my channel if you are newcomer, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you would get fresh notifications and would be there with some new idea, with some new comment, with some new process of learning. Until then, happy learning.